name is Eduardo Vázquez Linares. I'm with my partners, Jesus Gael Laureano and Juan Pablo Rueda Gallardo. We're going to explain how to solve this function. The function is f of x equals 3 elevated to the third power minus 4x. Now, what is the rate of change of f in the interval minus 2, 3?
Well, one way to solve this problem is to change the value of the function divided by the change in x. That is the change in value of the function by x on average. So we have the following expression. The change is the value of the function divided by the change in x, and if we say that y is equal to f of x. However, we can also express it as the change that happens in y between the change in x. I should mention that by changing the function according to the unit change of x on average, we can solve this by means of a table or visual form. The next one, please. Right now, we will use the table method and to connect the dots visually. We can see that from the left side, we have the x form, the x, and from the right side, we have the equation of y equal f of x. The next one. So when x is equal to minus 2, y will be equal to f of minus 2. So we take our initial equation, which is f of x equal x to the third power minus 4x, and change the value of x to be minus 2. So our equation will be minus 2 to the third power minus 4 by minus 2, which is equal to minus 8 plus 8, which is equal to 0. The next one. J, when x is equal to 3, we do the same as with minus 2, only that in this case, x will be equal to 3. Then we have the following equation. 3 to the third power minus 4 by 3, which is equal to 27 minus 12, which is equal to 15.
The 0 goes to 15, so there is a positive 15 increase in y, and change in x went from minus 2 to 3. So the change in x is 5. So the average rate of the change in the function y between x in this interval is equal to 3. To represent it visually, we have the following graph. When x is equal to minus 2 of x is 0. When it goes up and down, and it does the same on the other side. The interval goes from minus 2 to 3, as we have shown here. On the left side of the interval, the function is equal to 0. The rate of change we think of is the line that connects these two points. Thus, we calculate the change in y that increases by 15 and the change in x that increases by 5. This is what we think of when we do the average rate of change.